Wow!
Si James, alam niyo po ito, si James di papatalo eh. Si James mahilig sa ice skating, mahilig din sa swimming, habang si Egypt naman naglalaro ng table tennis, football, basketball at badminton. Pero sa round na ito, pabilisan ng utak at pabilisan ng kamay. James, Egypt, 4 answers are on the board. Anong gulay ang pwedeng iihaw? James.
Patatas.
Talong. Ito na. Nandyan
Ah,
na.
name a vegetable that you can grill. Wow! Top answer!
Kaya ka ba ng inihaw na talong? Opo. Pasok.
That's nice,
Pasok.
James.
Play po, play. Let's play the final round. Aidan, eto na kaya. Mahilig ka ba sa
Kamatis,
gulay?
try that one.
Mahilig naman po. Okay, eto, interesting. Aidan, anong gulay ang pwedeng iihaw? Aidan? Okra. Okra.
I don't think so.
Pero sa social media may prokra at saka nokra. Ikaw ba, prokra ka ba?
Hindi po eh. Hindi ako kumakain ng okra.
Hindi ba? Nokra nga, nokra. Okra.
Wow!
Waynona,
Oh my God.
this is it. Anong gulay ang pwedeng iihaw, Waynona, for the win? 2 more to go.
Kamatis?
That's what I said, Waynona. Furthermore, you're my crush. You're the... What the...
Yeah.
The X becomes the apple of my eye. That's so stupid.
Gulay.
Patatas po.
Patatas.
That's also my suggestion in the first place, Charlie. You're copying me.
Masarap naman.
You even read my mind.
Ginawa mo bang parang french fries, ganon?
Yes po.
Inihaw na patatas. Nandiyan ba yan, sir?
And I love potato corner.
Inihaw na patatas.
Stupid.
1-7. James, anong gulay, James, ang pwedeng iihaw?
Pumpkins.
Carrots po. Carrots. Nandiyan ba ang carrots?
Where? They're going to win for good.
Silence, please. Ito situation natin. Okay, leading sila, pero may 267 points up at stake. Now, kung hindi makuha ni Lucas ito, mapuputi lahat ng score sa kanila at mananalo kayo. Kaya you gotta get this right, Egypt. Anong gulay, Egypt, ang pwedeng iihaw? Carrots.
Oh, come on. You copied James. Don't say that.
Asparagus.
Okay, that's a unique answer.
Still asparagus. Johan.
Onion.
Grilled onions. Oh yeah, try that one. That's kind of good.
Lucas, isang tamang sagot lang, dalawa pa ito. For the win, anong gulay ang pwedeng iihaw, Lucas?
Corn. Mais.
Grilled corn. Wow.
Ang sabi niya mais. Ang,
Let's see if it
ang
works.
mais talaga sa totoong buhay, botanically, ay isang fruit. Pero, culinarily speaking, kinukonsider nila na ito ay isang gulay. Iniihaw ba ang mais? Siyempre alam natin iniihaw yon. Ang talong gulay ba daw yon? Pero ang mas malaking tanong, kasama ba siya sa survey? Survey
Let's
says-
see if it's there. Wow. A steal. I thought my Jaws squad will win. Yet nothing happened.
Sibuyas.
Whoa! Nice one, Johan.
After 4 rounds, we have a winner. Cloud 7, 508 points.
A perfect score for my boy squad. Too bad for my crushy killy crew.
Ano guys, mukhang naihaw kayo ah.
Mukha na po.
Pinagbigyan lang po namin. Pinagbigyan lang po namin.
Bigyan mo. Di bale, pag-uwi pa rin naman.
That's so sad.
Cloud 7, congratulations.